Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the new Apple AI pin with a complete beginner's guide. So this device is designed to work without a screen and it acts as a hands-free AI companion. So let's break it down in simple terms. So first of all, let's just understand what the Apple AI pin actually is. So it's a small wearable device that clips onto your clothing. Instead of using the screens like iPhone, it relies on the voice, gestures, and the environmental awareness to interact with you. So in order to start using it, you wear the AI pin on your shirt or jacket. Once you powered it on by clicking on this button over here, it stays in the standby mode waiting for the interaction. So the interaction is mainly voice based. You speak naturally to the AI pin, similar to talking to a virtual assistant. For example, you can ask AI to identify an object, summarize a conversation, translate the speech, and take the notes during the meeting. So the AI pin also uses the gesture interaction. When it needs to show the information, it projects the visuals onto your hand using a small laser display. This could be text, icons, or simple responses, enough to give you the information without pulling out a phone. The dual cameras allow AI to pin to the scan your surroundings. So this helps it recognize the objects, understand the context, and respond intelligently to what's around you. Then the charging of this particular chip is also simple. The device charges wirelessly using a magnetic puck, similar to the how a Apple Watch charging works. So if we talk about the privacy, so this is the physical button on the device that lets you control when the camera and the microphones are active, so you are not constantly being recorded. Overall, the goal of the Apple AI pin is to reduce the screen time and shift the interaction from tapping and scrolling to the natural real world engagement. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.